But when we misinterpret the impacts of menopause on someone's work performance as a performance deficiency rather than a medical impact, we're very prone to punish it as a performance deficiency. And what that often leads to is performance counseling, performance improvement plans, even termination. And because this happens to people who are, anywhere between late 30s to maybe even into their 60s, these are people with decades of experience in life and in work, expertise, brilliance, highly valuable professionals. And at the time when they need to maintain their career momentum the most, we often relegate them through this. We take them off the board, or we limit their opportunities through our misunderstanding. That's the problem. That's the cost of this. That's the problem I'm trying to help us solve and make less frequent through this conversation. And I don't think that any of us who do make this mistake while we lead menopausal professionals do it out of deliberate malice, or even out of conscious intent. We often don't even realize it's happening, that we're doing it. I just think it's because most of us have never been in a conversation like this one. I've never been in a leadership training program that addressed how to support and lead menopausal professionals. And because it's not addressed, because it's not discussed, it continues.